Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 17, and in today's tutorial, we're focusing on an essential part of every interior design: how to add doors and windows in Coohom. Let's get started. Removing auto-added doors and windows. Let's begin by cleaning up our workspace. When we import a floor plan into Coohom, it sometimes auto-adds doors and windows. To ensure complete control over your design, we need to remove them first. Simply click on each door and window, then press Delete on your keyboard or use the Delete icon from the top toolbar.
Oh, okay.
Accessing the window library. Now that we've cleared the space, let's start adding new windows. Head over to the public library on the left panel. Scroll down to the construction category. Click on Windows. You'll find a wide range of window styles here. Choose the one that best matches the room's aesthetics. Adding and adjusting a window. Drag the selected window into your design canvas. Once placed, you'll see a settings panel on the right side. From here, you can set the length and height of the window. Adjust its position by entering specific measurements or dragging it along the wall. Naming the room. Before moving forward, let's name the rooms so things stay organized. Click on the room space. On the right-hand panel, you'll see an option to enter a room name. Type in a suitable name like living room, bedroom, or study. This will help you keep track of rooms as your design grows more complex. And don't forget, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HD Elite. Just click the link in the description to claim your discount. And that's it for today's lesson. You've now learned how to manually delete and add doors and windows in your Coohom design. This simple step helps improve your layouts by making your rooms brighter, more breathable, and visually complete. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into advanced modeling tools. So make sure you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing!